love a Starbucks latte. I do too, but I hate all the calories and all the sugar that comes with it. So I'm gonna show you how to make my in-home protein coffee latte that is delicious. So first of all, I'm gonna start off with a shaker cup. I'm going to pour just a little bit of unsweetened almond milk in it. And I'm going to use MTS Whey cookies and cream protein because it's my favorite and it gives it that nice chocolatey flavor. So I'm gonna put 1 whole scoop of protein powder in there. And this is about 25 grams of protein. So what you don't want to do is you do not want to put this little packet in there with it. It will make you sick. Then they're done that. So then you want to just shake up your protein powder. But in the meantime, you also want to go ahead. I have coffee here in my Keurig, and I'm just going to do a large cup. I'm going to go ahead and brew my coffee. You can use espresso or regular coffee, whatever you want. But I'm going to brew my coffee, shake up my protein powder here. This is going to take place of, like, say, creamer or anything that's going to be real high fat, high sugar. This is going to be the latte part of my latte coffee. You want to shake it up real good. It's going to be nice and foamy. So now that my coffee is done, this is a dark French roast. You want to use a darker type of a coffee. Just going to take my protein and pour it here inside my coffee. And there you have your coffee protein latte. None of the sugar, none of the fat. It's got about probably 55, 160 calories. That's so good. Make sure that you guys like and subscribe to this and share this video so everyone else can figure out how to make this delicious latte coffee. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.